What I want to talk about now is setting up payments or subscriptions on your website. So this is a store that is really going to just be based on like, it's a free tool. And then ideally we want to funnel people over to being able to buy our products in the shop section right there. But if you wanted to add a subscription, let's say we want to add another feature on here. So please make a new feature that is, okay, so let's say we're going to make a new thing that is, I don't know, for meal times or whatever, just an example. I think another example would be if you wanted to build a full web app here that was for like home inspections or something that the entire thing is held behind a subscription paywall, then that would make a lot more sense. But I really want to show you guys this feature. So I'm going to kind of shoehorn one into this just to make it work. So then in a new tab, you can go to dashboard.stripe.com/register. I'll have that link in the description below. And you can just sign up for a Stripe account. Once you have your Stripe account set up, you can then go back over here. We can go to dashboard. We can go to integrations and we can say use. So it's going to allow us to connect Stripe. So we can say, hey, let's set up a subscription for a pro at $9 per month, whatever. They're going to give us prompts on how to actually do this. But maybe let's click on this. And instead of $9 per month, it's going to be $5 per month. And I'll say go. And it's going to automatically set up Stripe. It's going to prompt us. We'll be able to connect our Stripe account to this. And that way, like it's handling all of that on the back end. You can make multiple tiers as well. So a free one, you can also have like a pro and enterprise, for example, with different prices. Now, what it's going to ask for are your Stripe secret keys. If you have questions about this, you can always go into discuss mode here and ask questions and it can answer more for you. If you don't want to use up your credits, you can also ask in like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. But essentially, you're going to go over to Stripe. You're going to find your secret keys. You'll be able to paste them here. You have 3 of them and you can submit them. And then your Stripe should automatically be set up.